Greetings students. Today we are going to learn about one of Switzerland's insurance economy, Zurich Insurance Group. Let us know this company in a much better way. Zurich Insurance Group Limited, a sixth zone, commonly known as Zurich, is a Swiss insurance company headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland. Zurich Insurance Group is Switzerland's biggest insurer. As of 2013, Zurich was the world's 75th largest public company according to Forbes Global 2000 list, and in 2011 it ranked 94th in Interbrand's top 100 brands. Zurich Insurance Group Limited is a global insurance company which is organized into three core business segments: general insurance, global life, and farmers. The company employs around 60,000 people, serving customers in more than 170 countries and territories across the globe. Zurich Insurance Group Limited is listed on the SIX Swiss exchange, and as of 2012, the group's capital position was strong with shareholders' equity of $34.494 billion. The company was founded in 1872 as a marine reinsurance under the name Versi Sharon's Varin Insurance Association, a subsidiary of the Swiss Marine Company. In 2000, after a number of acquisitions, it was unified to form one holding company, Zurich Financial Services. On 24 October, Zurich North America hosted a ceremony at the 9/11 Tribute Center honoring the winners of its 2012 KAMP Awards, a program created by Zurich in 2002 as a living legacy to remember four of its employees lost on 9/11. John Keohane, Peggy Elario, Kathy Morant, and Luke Picaro. CAM is an acronym for their last names and carries a reminder to all employees to keep a meaningful perspective. In April 2012, Zurich Financial Services Limited changed its name to Zurich Insurance Group Limited. The name change reflects that in recent years, Zurich has streamlined its business portfolio to concentrate on insurance. In a statement, the group explained the rationale behind the name change. In recognition of this strategic focus, the reference to financial services in the company name has been replaced by indicating the insurance activity of the group instead, and to specify the purpose accordingly. Zurich Insurance Group Limited is organized into three core business segments: general insurance, Zurich General Insurance Business services individual, small and medium-sized businesses and major multinational corporations with motor, home and commercial products and services. Global Life. Zurich Global Life Business offers life insurance, savings, investment, and pension products. In the United States, life insurance is issued by Zurich American Life Insurance Company with offices in Schaumburg, Illinois, and New York City. Farmers. Zurich's Farmers segment includes Farmers Management Services, which provides non-claims related management services to the farmers' exchanges not owned by Zurich, as well as the Farmers RE business, which includes reinsurance assumed from the Farmers Exchange by the group. Zurich's Farmers Insurance Group is the third largest insurance group in the United States.
My name is Marcus Nordlund. I've been with Zurich a little over 11 years. As the Chief Information Technology Officer for Zurich Group, I'm responsible for all the information technology IT services group-wide around the whole world. All of these business processes that our customers pay for are enabled by technology, and all of that technology is my responsibility to make sure it's up and running. And then there's the fun part, which is then get to build new technology. So job one, make sure that the stuff we have is up and running. Job two, build new stuff. So for 2011, we have a very exciting and aggressive year planned. We will continue and complete the massive transformation of our infrastructure outsourcing. This is a program that we call SOFIA, and we'll complete that this year, the transformation, in other words, the transferring of all of our data centers over to our supplier, in this case CSC. So that's an internal infrastructure project. I would have to say that teamwork sits right at the top of my list in Zurich values. We in order to accomplish anything now, first of all, we have to work closely with ourselves, right? We have the application teams and we have our infrastructure teams, but also our business partners, the business analysts, and the work that we're trying to do. And then now we spread that work all over the globe. For example, as we're developing our emerging market platform for the Middle East, we're going to leverage the work that was done for Latin America with teams that are sitting here in Zurich and also then in Dubai. That takes teamwork. And so that's one of the things that we'll continue to work on together, and teaming more closely with ourselves, with our business partners, and serving our customers.
In 2009, Zurich was awarded Charity Times Best Insurance Services and was shortlisted again in 2010. In 2012, the Zurich Committee Trust UK won the Cross-Sector Partnership of the Year award for its partnership with the treatment charity Addaction. According to the company's website, the Zurich Committee Trust has donated over £60 million since 1972 with the goal of addressing key social issues. It has supported over 600 charities a year, making a measurable impact on the lives of over 80,000 people. Zurich was one of the first recipients of the Community Mark from Business in the Community, which it has successfully retained for 3 years. At the group level, the Zurich Foundation's mission is to help individuals and communities understand and manage risk, leveraging Zurich's core strength as an insurer. Zurich is achieving this aim by working with long-term partnership with select non-profit organizations such as Practical Action, the Rainforest Alliance, and the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. As of March 2012, Zurich reinforced its commitment to the Zurich Foundation by making a substantial investment of $100 million. In 2011, Zurich launched a free online resource, My Community Starter, designed to make getting involved in community activities more simple. In March 2013, Zurich announced its Global Flood Resilience Program, which aims to enhance community flood resilience by finding innovative ways to increase the impact of disaster risk reduction efforts at community, national, and global levels. The first country program is taking place in Mexico and Indonesia. To maximize the community impact of the program, Zurich has formed a strategic alliance with the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, IFRC. In 2006, Zurich Financial Services settled a $171 million case relating to bid rigging and price fixing. Businesses shopping for commercial insurance were deceived into believing they were getting the best deals available, said a bot. The whole anti-competitive scheme was an intentional smokescreen by several insurance players to artificially inflate premiums and pay improper commissions to those who brokered the deals. The states included in the settlement were Texas, California, Florida, Hawaii, Maryland, Massachusetts, Oregon, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Zurich is also required to pay about $122 million in refunds to commercial policyholders in a New Jersey class action lawsuit settlement. Zurich Financial Services settled a bid rigging and improper finite reinsurance transaction prop. Zurich Financial agreed to pay $153 million in restitutions and penalties and agreed to a series of reforms. Zurich apologized and acknowledged that certain of its employees violated both acceptable business practices and Zurich's own standards of conduct by engaging in improper bidding practices and the finite reinsurance transaction described in the Assurance of Discontinuance. The states included in the settlement were New York, Connecticut, and Illinois. In May 2007, Zurich Capital Markets, a subsidiary of Zurich Financial Services, paid $16.8 million to settle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission for helping four hedge funds disguise their identities to avoid detection when making frequent trades in mutual fund shares. An SEC director stated, by knowingly financing their hedge funds clients' deceptive market timing, ZCM reaped substantial fees at the expense of long-term mutual fund shareholders. So students, we got to know about the various aspects of Zurich Insurance Group. We went through the company's history to its present market scenario. Hope the information about the company was useful to you. Have a pleasant day ahead.